The action camera landscape is entering a new era, and the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is poised to lead the charge. The Ace Pro line has quickly become synonymous with innovation and bold design choices, setting itself apart from competitors who tend to play it safe. From its inception, Insta360 has challenged the conventional approach to action cameras, combining cutting-edge sensors with high-end optical partnerships, most notably with Leica. This collaboration has allowed the brand to bring professional-grade lens quality to rugged environments, from muddy trails to snowy peaks, delivering sharp, vibrant imagery in conditions that often push smaller cameras to their limits. Now, with the third-generation Ace Pro on the horizon, anticipation is at an all-time high. At the center of the buzz is a rumored 1-inch 50-megapixel CMOS sensor. If these leaks are accurate, this isn't just a larger sensor, it's a seismic shift in the category. Bigger sensors collect more light, which dramatically improves low-light performance and expands dynamic range, solving a challenge that has long plagued action cameras. Picture filming a mountain bike trail at dusk or a surf session in the fading light. The Ace Pro 3 could capture textures, colors, and details that would normally be lost in noise or grain on smaller sensors. This kind of hardware innovation elevates the action camera closer to professional filmmaking standards, offering creators a compact yet capable tool for cinematic quality footage. Video specs are rumored to be equally impressive. Reports suggest the Ace Pro 3 could capture 8K video at 30 frames per second, complete with HDR and log support. For creators who color grade their footage, 10-bit 4K at 120 frames per second could make slow-motion action sequences more dynamic while preserving rich color fidelity. This level of video performance allows for precise cropping, reframing, and post-production adjustments that previously required much larger, more expensive cinema cameras. The Ace Pro 3 is not just an upgrade, it's a professional-grade video powerhouse in a pocket-sized form factor. One of the most exciting rumored features is a new triple AI processing engine. This isn't just about sharper images, the system is designed to handle advanced features like gesture-based controls, intelligent automation, and flow state 2.0 stabilization. Flow state 2.0 is rumored to simulate a global shutter effect, minimizing rolling shutter distortion, commonly known as the jello effect that occurs with high-frequency vibrations or fast-moving subjects. Combined with the large 1-inch sensor, this stabilization promises ultra-smooth footage in extreme conditions, transforming the way creators capture adventure, sports, and cinematic sequences. Leaked pricing suggests the Ace Pro 3 could start between $549 and $599, positioning it as a premium flagship for the action camera market. While this is higher than previous models, it reflects Insta360's shift toward high-performance devices for creators who demand uncompromising quality. The Ace Pro 3 is designed for professionals and enthusiasts who prioritize results over cost, offering features that justify the price for anyone looking to push their creative boundaries. The lineage of the Ace Pro series provides important context for why expectations are so high. The original Ace Pro, released in late 2023, immediately made waves with features that were rare or unseen in the category. It introduced a flip-up screen, solving a major problem for vloggers and solo creators, and incorporated Leica-engineered optics. The Leica partnership elevated the camera's color science, delivering warmer skin tones, more accurate colors, and a distinct optical signature that competitors struggled to replicate. The Ace Pro 2, released in 2024 and dominating through 2025, built on that foundation. Its 8K video capabilities proved that high-resolution capture was not just a gimmick, but a viable tool for creators looking to crop and reframe footage without sacrificing clarity. The release of specialized editions, such as the Super Motocross Edition, demonstrated Insta360's commitment to building an ecosystem rather than simply selling hardware. These incremental improvements, combined with consistent software updates, fostered a community of creators invested in the Ace Pro platform, eager for the next generation. The anticipation for the Ace Pro 3 is therefore immense. Many expected a late 2025 release, but the timeline shifted, fueling rumors and speculation. Competition likely played a role in this delay. DJI's Osmo Action 6, with its 1.1-inch square sensor and variable aperture, showcased a level of low-light performance that challenged Insta360 to push further. The Ace Pro 3 needed to be more than just an incremental upgrade, it had to set a new benchmark in performance, optics, and stabilization. Internal factors also contributed to the delay. Insta360 recently launched the Anti-Gravity 1 drone, the first 8K 360 degrees flying camera. Though in a different category, the drone shares high-end processing and imaging technology with the Ace Pro 3. Managing development and launch schedules for both products simultaneously is a complex task, requiring careful refinement of AI systems, optical tuning, and overall performance optimization. The mid-2026 release window, likely in Q2 or Q3, suggests Insta360 is prioritizing quality over speed, ensuring the Ace Pro 3 exceeds the expectations set by both competitors and its own legacy. If the leaks are accurate, the Ace Pro 3 represents a remarkable combination of features: a 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor, 8K HDR video, 10-bit 4K slow-motion capture, triple AI processing, and advanced flow state 2.0 stabilization. For creators, this means a device capable of cinematic quality footage in a compact, rugged form factor. The camera is designed to survive extreme environments, including dives of up to 16 meters, while maintaining professional-level performance. It is poised to redefine the boundaries of action videography. The Ace Pro 3 is also a testament to Insta360's philosophy of ecosystem development. Rather than releasing a standalone product, the company has consistently paired hardware with software updates, accessories, and creative bundles, creating a platform that evolves alongside its users. This approach has cultivated loyalty among content creators and built a strong community invested in the Ace Pro brand. With the third generation, Insta360 is set to elevate this ecosystem further, offering an AI-enhanced user experience that integrates seamlessly with Leica optics and advanced stabilization. Market dynamics heighten the stakes. GoPro is rumored to be developing a 1-inch sensor for the Hero 14, while DJI continues to innovate in low-light performance and AI stabilization. To maintain its edge, the Ace Pro 3 must deliver a combination of features that clearly surpasses the competition. Rather than rushing a release, Insta360 appears to be taking its time to ensure the Ace Pro 3 establishes itself as the definitive flagship, setting a new standard for action cameras. For professionals, adventurers, and vloggers alike, the Ace Pro 3 promises unprecedented creative flexibility. A device that combines cinematic quality 8K capture, a massive 1-inch sensor, AI-driven stabilization, and Leica-tuned optics capable of surviving extreme conditions allows creators to produce content that previously required larger, more cumbersome setups. In conclusion, the Ace Pro 3 isn't just a new action camera, it's a statement. With a 1-inch 50-megapixel Leica-tuned sensor, 8K HDR video, 10-bit 4K slow motion, advanced triple AI processing, and flow state 2.0 stabilization, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is positioned to set a new industry standard. The anticipation is immense, the community is engaged, and if rumors hold true, this camera may define the next era of action filmmaking, providing creators with a portable device capable of delivering professional results in the harshest conditions.